Overview: Australia visa reforms starting July 1st, 2024. The Australian government has announced significant changes to the temporary graduate visa programs as part of its recent migration strategy. These reforms are scheduled to take effect from July 1st, 2024, and aim to better align visa streams with levels of study and enhance the clarity and efficiency of the visa process. Realignment of the temporary graduate visa streams. Graduate Work Stream renamed. New name: Post-Vocational Education Work Stream. Eligibility: applicants must have completed an associate degree, diploma, or trade qualification closely related to their nominated occupation on the Medium and Long-Term Strategic Skills List, MLTSSL. Post-Study Work Stream renamed. New name: Post-Higher Education Work Stream. Eligibility: applicants must have a qualification at degree level or higher. Other qualifications will not be considered. Eligibility requirements before and after July 1st, 2024. Pre-July 1, 2024 requirements. Applicants must complete their qualification and lodge their temporary graduate visa application before July 1st, 2024. They must meet the Australian study requirement and provide evidence of the date of course completion before a visa decision is made. Post-July 1, 2024 requirements. Applications lodged on or after July 1st, 2024 will be assessed under the new requirements for the respective visa streams. Specific changes to visa streams. Post-Vocational Education Work Stream, formerly Graduate Work Stream. Age limit: reduced to 35 years. Hong Kong and British national overseas passport holders are exempt and can apply if under 50 years. Stay duration: up to 18 months. Hong Kong and British national overseas passport holders may stay up to 5 years. Post-Higher Education Work Stream, formerly Post-Study Work Stream. Age limit: reduced to 35 years. Master's, research, and PhD graduates, as well as Hong Kong and British national overseas passport holders, are exempt and can apply if under 50 years. Stay duration: bachelor degree, including honors up to 2 years. Master's, coursework, and extended up to 2 years. Master's, research, and PhD, up to 3 years. Hong Kong and British national overseas passport holders, up to 5 years. Stay periods for Indian nationals, as per AICTA agreement. Bachelor degree, including honors up to 2 years. Bachelor degree with first-class honors in STEM, including ICT up to 3 years. Master's, coursework, extended, and research up to 3 years. Doctoral degrees, PhD up to 4 years. Additional stream changes. Second Post-Higher Education Work Stream, formerly Second Post-Study Work Stream. No changes. The stream will be renamed, but will remain otherwise unchanged. Replacement stream. Cease. The replacement stream will be discontinued. These changes are part of Australia's broader strategy to ensure that the visa system remains robust, fair, and aligned with the nation's economic and educational goals. Prospective applicants should stay informed about these updates to ensure compliance and maximize their opportunities within Australia's visa framework.